Hi, my name is Hannah Armstrong, and I am a student in EDM 310 at the University of South Alabama. Today I'm going to show you how to use a smartboard. This button right here is where you turn it on, and you'll hold it until it turns green. And then the screen will slowly come on. Next we're going to calibrate it. We're going to hold these two buttons down like this, and then this screen will pop up. At this point you'll go and press off like this. And that'll finish your calibration. Next, I'm going to work with Smart Notebook and work with the text. So I'm going to come up here and double click the Smart Notebook and it'll open up. And then first thing, I'm going to press over here the keypad, and then you can just type right in there, and that'll put text up there. Or you can use the marker and write worm. To use the text. To erase, you can just tap the word and press this down button and then go to delete, and it'll just erase it. Or you can use the eraser and go around it like this and just erase like this. Next we're going to work with shapes. So you'll go down here to this box right here with little shapes in it, and you'll click on it, and it'll come up with all the different shapes right here. You can do a circle, and you just come up here and you slide your finger like this, and you can make it however big that you want it to be. You can do a square, a triangle, and when you're done, if you want to delete them, you just go over here to the little cursor right here, and you click on it, and then you'll go just slide it, and it'll slide like a little box over the shape, and then you'll come down here to the drop down, and you'll just delete it. Next we're going to do object animation. So if you're teaching a lesson on shapes, you can come down here and just pick a shape. I'll do a circle. You just kind of make your circle right here. And then you can come over here and just write the word circle. You can also fill in your circle right over here. You can just tap inside and pick a color. Just type on the inside and it'll make the whole shape one color. So the next thing you'll do with object animation is you'll go down here and press your cursor, and you'll kind of make that box like you're going to delete it over the shape. Then you'll come right over here and you'll press this icon and use object animation, and then come down here to the type, the drop down, and you'll go down and we'll use fly out. So the next thing you'll do is press your cursor, move your circle over your word. What you'll do all this before class, but what you'll do is ask your students, what shape is this, and they'll say whatever their answer is, and you can just tap it and it goes away and shows the answer. Next we're going to work with Infinite Cloner, and what you'll do is you'll go down here and you will choose your shapes again. I'll use a heart today, and you'll come over here and just make a heart right here. And then you'll go back to your cursor, you'll just make that square like you're going to delete again. You'll come down and just choose Infinite Cloner. What this does is you can just drag from the original shape, and it just makes the same, shapes. To delete it, you'll do the same thing. You'll just make a big square over all of them, and you can choose X to make them go away. To turn off your Infinite Cloner, you will just tap it like that, choose the little square, and turn it off, and then you can delete it. Next we're going to be working with multimedia images, and you'll go right over here to what looks like the little picture frame, and you'll click it, and then you'll come down here to interactive and multimedia, and you'll just click down on it. You can search for whatever you want to search for, and I searched for dice, and I already have them pulled up, so what you'll do is you'll just click it and bring it right over here, And you can use this in for math, using probability or whatever you want to use it for. And what you do is just click it, and it'll just spin the dice for you. To delete your multimedia image, you'll just come down here and click your cursor, and you'll just make your square like you delete anything. And then you'll press the red X, and it'll go away. Next, we're going to be saving items added to the ink book. What you'll do first, you're on your Smart Notebook. What you'll do first is you'll go up here and press View. You'll come down to Transparent Background. When you do that, that'll just pop up whatever's behind the Smart Notebook. What we're going to do is we're going to go up here to Google Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and maximize it. And I'm just going to go to the EDM 310 website. So I'm going to go down here and I'll press the keyboard to open up. Just type in EDM 310 and it's there. So I'm just going to put that. Okay. So now that we are on the EDM 310 website, we'll go down and I'll just use this right here. You can underline anything that's important like this. You can mark it with an X or star. You can circle. Next, we're going to take a screenshot of this page. So what you'll do is you'll come right down here to this. It's a little camera. Click on that, and we'll come over here to the full page view, just like that. And it'll come up, and you'll press OK, and it takes a picture of the screen. So what you'll do next is go up here to File, and you come down to Save As. I'll save it to my documents. You can save it as, since this is an EDM 310 project, I'll just say EDM save it as EDM 310 project 12. And it's saved for you to come back to later.